What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to have a look at the AdGaem, something like that, affiliate CPA marketing network. So this network is based out of India and everything so far looks quite good, which I checked so far. Just don't know how to pronounce the name, to be honest. A network that delivers. That's always good to know. So if you want to reach out to them, the Skype is here at AdGaem. I would say AdGaem sounds good. info@adgaem.com. They must have a good name for it. If one of their affiliate managers checked it, please let me know in the comments down below how it is pronounced. An Indian network, we don't see it that often. Shout out to all my Indian brothers and sisters. I love your support. And let's have a look, because they have a good working website. It's fast, email, social, mobile, display, contextual, search. What do we do? User acquisition, monetization, media buying. Looks good, looks good, looks good. 24/7 support, crypto friendly, referrals, flexible payments, top campaigns, best payouts, integrated partners. They're featured on a couple of sites, client testimonials, payment partners. Pretty cool. Monthly leads, 50 advertisers, 2,000 publishers, 5,000 campaigns. Damn, guys, you're doing great. And that's why we're going to have a look at your network. But before we do, we're going to have a look at your company. So they have quite an extensive website. Find new companies. All right, publisher info. Easy payments by PayPal or Wire. Top offers that convert, flawless tracking, mobile friendly. Full campaign API, weekly, bi-weekly and net 30 payments. Nice. Friendly support 7 days a week. That's cool. Global reach, any country. Real-time reports, daily performance reports. That's good. Well, we don't need to know this. Affiliate marketing, partners, offers, reviews. Let's see how big the team is. Because the support from an affiliate network is always important. 3 people. Marketing expert, the founder. Digital marketing expert, senior tech. So these are all Indian guys. Shout out to you guys. Let's dive into the network. I am assigned to the CEO. Thank you very much. I feel important right now. The dashboard looks good. We have the clicks, the conversions, the available balance only in US dollars. Here also only in US dollars. Russian, English, Spanish. I don't know which country this is. And Vietnamese. You have an overview of the dashboard with the conversions, the clicks, and the revenue. Affiliate number 2677 info@debru.com is our sign up. So basically you can put your balance, maybe if you can withdraw at any time, and you personal manager, and it display the time when he's available, 10 a.m. until 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. I think that's it. I'm not sure the IST. And of course his Skype. Then they have a nice list of top offers. The Home Money Guide Financial US, Viking War of Clans, Conqueror Blade, Joblift. You can see it's already a mix, right? They don't focus on just one thing. This is like make money online, a game. There's also a game. This is like lead gen. Let's have a look at the statistics. Whoa. All right, so they just filter like this. I'm always curious about referrals. Can I send you guys a referral link or can I not? Apparently not. Apparently, I'm not allowed to send friends. Well, anyhow, even if they don't have an affiliate link, I'm still going to link them in the description down below. So if you want to sign up for AdGaem, you can so through the description link. Even if I don't make money off it, it's okay. Daily conversions, offers, browsers, basically everything your tracker shows, right? Simple. What we really want to know is the offers they have. It's all in the offers these days. So, everything basically you have to request access for, but they have a lot. Let me just put this on 200, see how many pages they have available. They have over 800 different offers, so let's have a look. I see single opt-in games, Turkey, cost per lead, 35 US cents. All games, lots of games. iPhone music, games. Magic the Gathering, that's pretty cool. This is Cost per purchase. Magic the Gathering is cool. You could angle that really well. They have some cool games. It's single opt-ins. They just don't pay that much, you know? Let me have a look at this one. See if there's some information available or you have to request everything. Oh yeah, you obviously have the KPI retention. Allowed media, pop under, click under, social media toolbar, YouTube channel. Enter email and password, game loads, play game and reach level 2+. Then wait the conversion fires. Okay. AdGaem, all games. Oh, ooh, what's this? Mobile dating. Right, so it's games, dating. Oh, it also says it here actually. Games, double opt-in. Games. Again, adult, dating. A lot of adult double opt-in. So a lot of adult lead gen, dating lead gen, and then games. Oh, here we go. Email submits, sweepstakes, my favorite. Sweepstakes, downloadables, e-commerce, health, e-commerce, health, surveys. They have a lot of different things. Sweepstakes, biz up even. By 8-year-old, the 8-year-old girl makes 490k. Okay. Real estate, damn. They have a lot of different offers, and you can see the huge amount of geos they have available as well. Anything from Switzerland to tier 3 geos, all the way to the US. Pretty cool. Value packed. To be fair, not gonna be racist, but to be fair, I didn't expect this amount of quality. I haven't ran with them, of course, but first look, like I've reviewed many networks on my channel, many tutorials, these kind of first look features, and this network looks great. Really great. Tons of different verticals. It has something for everybody. Tons of different offers available, but also scalability. You know, when you can make this yourservice.com work in one geo, you can scale it to like 15 other geos, which is of course great. Did I see green trader somewhere? Ah, here, CBD labs, cannabis trader. Really cool, really nice. So that's basically, they have basically every vertical. Mainly dominant, health, dating, sweeps, games. From what I've seen. The toolbox is the API, and the payments, there are no payments made, of course, because we just signed up. Then they have a news section, and there is no news. But everything else is basically clear. You can get paid very fast. I don't know what the minimum payout is. Is there like an FAQ somewhere here? Help? Ooh! The referrals. Can I drop you guys a referral link? Or does it just show a... Yeah, there we go. I don't think I will get paid for it, but I'm still going to refer you guys. Shout out to everybody joining them. Okay, so they use FIs, so they're just going to send you to the FIs knowledge base, which is basically useless. Because we want to know when we're going to get paid, of course. But it's all good. As soon as you start working with them, you can ask. They have a shit ton of offers in a shit ton of verticals. So I'm sure that you'll be very satisfied. They have long working hours, 7 days a week. So yeah, sounds all pretty good. AdGaem, if I pronounce it correctly. There's a link in the description down below. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. I'll be sure to have a look. And of course, I will see you guys in the next one.